I'm Rich Noonan from Best of the Best, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today.
Today on Best of the Best, congratulations. If you're watching this video right now, you have found Jacoby Company in Los Angeles. This might be the most respected and sought after custom window treatment company in America. Jacoby Company has earned the 2023 National Best of the Best Award for customer satisfaction. They're 4-time winners. If you're even considering custom window treatments, watch the story of Jacoby Company. Congratulations again to the owners, a great couple named Cory and Gary Jacoby, their daughter-in-law Amanda, who handles the brand brilliantly, and the Jacoby team they value so much on this 2023 National Best of the Best Award. At Best of the Best, we never tell company owners that we are profiling their company. Once we name a company to our National Best of the Best list, we always monitor that company's customer reviews because we know things change at companies. And in just the last year, Jacoby Company has done so many stunning new projects and earned lots of new awesome 5-star customer reviews. Jacoby Company has been a family business for the last 30 plus years. Cory has a fantastic design eye, real passion for helping clients, including many celebrities and top designers. They get the right window treatments from Jacoby every time. Gary is a craftsman. He oversees the installation, and they have about 70 years of experience between them. Amanda is also a passionate professional who people love because Amanda Jacoby goes above and beyond for Jacoby Company clients. There is a reason why some of the top designers in America use Jacoby Company. Pearse Connelly is a primetime Emmy Award-winning designer of many of the sets that we see on popular television shows. James also does fantastic interior designs in clients' homes. He's worked with Jacoby Company multiple times. We asked James what makes Jacoby special, and he said, "I use Jacoby Company because of the in-depth experience they offer along with fast installation. The Jacoby Company is a family-based company that offers competitive pricing along with the best service. It's different with Cory and Gary because you can trust them to deliver, make detailed decisions, and most importantly, respect privacy when you need it with high-profile clientele." Tiffany Brooks is an awesome designer. She won HGTV's Design Star. She had her own series on HGTV. Tiffany also uses Jacoby Company as Tiffany designs spaces in homes of many people who you would know. Celebrity interior designer Lehnhoff is also one of the most sought-after designers in the country. When you look at examples of Trace's work, you can see that he is a very creative, detailed designer. He does stunning work, has a stunning portfolio. It's awesome. We asked Trace why he uses Jacoby Company for custom window treatments, and this is what Trace told us. "I always want to provide my clients with the best, and that's why I work with Jacoby Company. They are the dream when it comes to service, with such an eye for detail. They take honest pride in what they do, and I'm never not impressed from beginning to end of every project. They're the best for a reason." Wow, you gotta love that. Don't think you have to be a celebrity designer, though, to hire Jacoby Company. The Jacoby team loves helping anyone. Cory is a brilliant designer. She stays on the cutting edge of all that is new in this industry. She truly loves going to people's homes or doing virtual meetings. If you're like me and you have no clue what to put on your windows, call Cory Jacoby. She's the expert. The Jacobys are cool, fun people. They've appeared in lots of great videos over the years, which have gotten thousands of views online.
We've been in business 30 years. I know it's a little hard to believe, and we've been working together with my husband for 30 years. That's even harder to believe. And we specialize in custom window treatments. And what that means is, if you need any windows covered, I come to your home and we design together what is going to be the perfect window treatment for you.
The Jacobys should definitely have their own TV show. Remember, at Best of the Best, though, we care most about our independent research and recent reviews from real clients. The reviews about Jacoby Company on every credible review site out there are simply fantastic. Please read them. Customers rave about every aspect of dealing with the Jacoby team, from the design ideas through the installation. Jacoby is one of the most decorated companies of its kind in America. They've won so many awards, too many to list in this video. Suffice it to say, the people who give out awards know all about Jacoby. Congratulations to everyone at Jacoby Company in Los Angeles, winners of the National Best of the Best Award for customer satisfaction 4 straight times, 2020, 21, 22, and 23, and Jacoby will likely keep on winning. Because at Jacoby Company, they only know how to do business one way, like they have for over 30 years and counting. The right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it again.